Today we're going to do an install on the Auto LED projector lights. These are the drill in. So you're going to get this light. You're going to get two of them. Has your switch, has your red, black. And then you are also going to get a hole saw. That we're going to make our hole in. We've already got our door panel off. And what we did with the Nissan Titan is we wired into our factory harness here. We've already done the install on the light up logos, door seals. So we're going to use the same exact harness to tap in. So that's what we've got right here. We run this up through the door jamb in the weather protector and then out inside the door. So this is where we're at right now. Next thing, we are going to find a nice drill spot and we're going to mount our LED projector and run all our wires. So let me mark with the template and cut a hole and I'll get right back to you. All right, so we've made our template hole right here. Next thing is to drill. It's a little scary drilling into the side of your vehicle with a hole saw, but as long as you measure correctly, you should be good to go. There's our hole. So you need to unscrew this little set screw. And then you're going to peel that all the way off and set that over to the side. That's going to be your backing screw to keep it in place. Then you're going to fish your line up into the hole. Your switch goes up in there. And the hole saw that they send is the exact perfect size for your hole. Okay, so we've got our connections made here. We spliced in to the red and the black power and negative. We have ran our wiring through the door, through the grommet, through the weather protector, inside the door. So you're either going to want to run it on the outside of the door, inside of the plastic, but then you're going to have to still run it inside right here to pop out the bottom. Just be aware that you need to run all your wiring low inside the door. If you roll your window down and the window lowers down inside the track, it could catch your wiring if you've got it up running too high inside the door. So make sure you run it down low in the trough right here. So we've got power. Can't see anything yet just because it's not dark yet. Once it gets dark, I'll add a little bit onto this video. But you're going to want to rotate this however you want it to show up. My Nissan right now, as you can see, is backwards. So I would just spin this around and then inside the door, the little set screw, I was tighten it back up and then make sure you position this however you want it to show in the dark. Okay guys, after the install, here is the finished product. So you can adjust the light however you want your logo to look. So this is the Auto Nissan LED projector light install.